welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle wake on USB-C dock feature on your Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. First of all, you're gonna need to access the BIOS menu. To do that, turn off your laptop, then short press the power button once to launch your device. While the laptop is being launched, repeatedly click the F2 key until you reach the BIOS menu. Here in the BIOS menu, you're gonna have to enable advanced setup by switching this toggle to the right and then go to power settings. Now, after selecting the power tab on the sidebar, you're gonna need to scroll down to USB wake support. And if you want to enable or disable this feature, just switch this toggle on or off respectively. After that, click apply changes and OK. Then to exit, either click exit in the bottom right corner of the screen or press escape button on your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.